Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is a Hoover washing machine. It's a HPE236. I'm going to show you how to wire up the motor. It's down underneath, so I'll turn the machine over on its side and let's get in there. This is an ACC motor. It's a type 20584.414. And it has another number there, 41002725. Rated at 480 RPMs or 17,000 RPMs. So that'll be your agitate and your spin speeds. Looking in at the cable arrangement, we've got a brush over here with the yellow cable. I believe the green cable also goes to the brush on the other side. And then we've got two yellow cables that come to the tacho on the end of the machine. And then we've got a white and a grey, so this will be a nice simple one to wire. The connector block is also laid out in a way that I don't normally see. Normally you would have the two tacho wires, in this case the two yellow ones in the center. Normally they'd be at one end, but nevertheless, let's get wiring. So here it is wired up. We've got the neutral cable, the blue on the left, going into one of the coils, or one end of the coil. That's the grey and the white there going into the coil inside the motor. We've got an orange jumper cable going from a brush over to another coil, and then from the remaining brush we have the live cable. And if I plug it in, this should all just fire up. So 5 amp supply, we're on, the red light's on, and we're off. Okay, there you go, not much to it really. Thanks for watching, see you later.